Welcome back to Cosmoholics Anonymous. I am your favorite new mama, Fuji Vintage, and today's video is super fun. I'm going to be making a wreath to put on my door for my annoying ass neighbor. And so this is just me being very petty. And so I'm going to need a couple supplies. Obviously a wreath, because I wasn't about to build this whole entire thing. No, I went to Michael's. I got a wreath. Gonna need the thingy to hang the wreath, okay? You're gonna need some sort of ribbon. I bought two different colors because I wasn't sure which one I wanted to go with. I kind of want to go with the gold, so I'm not big on red. I'm going to need that, which I'm gonna break the stems off of, because that is a, what is that? It's a cake topper for a wedding cake, but I need it for my 50 decibel sign. We need all of our letters that spell out decibels, and also two symbols that are on the Quebec flag. Oh, and of course the most important thing we're gonna need: earplugs. Good old-fashioned foam earplugs. I ordered 200 off of Amazon. Let's get it poppin'. So the first thing I'm going to do is prepare my cake topper. And this snapped right off, so that's good. We have our 50. And I think I'm going to go with the gold ribbon. I just prefer it to the silver one. And I'm just going to adhere it now.
I'm coming, wait. That's not stiff enough. It's too soggy in the middle.
Because I didn't pull it. It's only it's only glued on the one side. For the 50, I'm gonna use some E6000 because it's likely to come off. Alright, it's gonna work, alright. no, it's totally called for. Like,
This bitch went and spent my money.
I sure did. Keisha, when he told us that he bought a noise monitor, I said, no, you're doing too much. Because he came and we told him, okay, sorry, our daughter's playing on the floor, like, what do you want us to do? And he's like, it's not the baby. What?
Okay.
All right, bud. Like, he's a sociopath. I don't even understand him. But he hasn't been home for like 3 days now. So, but his wife's car is still there, and that's where they put their car seat. He drives like a truck, like a pickup truck, kind of. So I don't know where he is, but when he comes back and sees this on my door, he's gonna flip shit.
Did you put lights on it?
No, I was gonna buy. Oh my gosh.
Or you need some like bells so that every time your door opens, it jingles or something.
You're out of control. Okay guys, this is the finished product. 50 decibels. Earplugs all over, free for the taking. It's actually a really nice wreath. And that is the neighbor that hates me over there. But yeah, thanks for watching.